Have you ever wondered why some plants thrive in one location and wither in another? What secret does the humble soil hold that it can be so selective? Welcome to the fascinating world of soil chemistry, an intriguing blend of geology, biology, and chemistry that dictates the health of our ecosystems. Our journey begins with understanding the basics. Soil, as we know, isn't just dirt. It's a vibrant ecosystem, teeming with life and complex chemical interactions. At the heart of soil chemistry are 5 key elements: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These elements form the building blocks of soil and are essential for plant growth. But soil chemistry isn't just about these 5 elements. The pH level of soil, which is a measure of its acidity or alkalinity, plays a crucial role. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Soils with a pH less than 7 are acidic, while those with a pH greater than 7 are alkaline. This pH level influences the solubility of nutrients and thus their availability to plants. Now let's delve a little deeper. Soil is also home to numerous microorganisms, whose activities can drastically alter its chemical properties. For instance, bacteria in the soil can convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use, a process known as nitrogen fixation. Moreover, soil chemistry also involves the study of soil pollution and remediation. Harmful chemicals, such as heavy metals or synthetic pesticides, can accumulate in the soil, posing significant threats to plant, animal, and human health. Through soil chemistry, we can understand how these contaminants interact with the soil and devise methods to neutralize or remove them. To recap, soil chemistry is a complex field that encompasses the study of the chemical composition of soil, the biological and chemical processes occurring within it, and its interactions with living organisms and the environment. It helps us understand why certain plants grow better in specific soils, how to improve soil fertility, and how to mitigate soil pollution. So the next time you see a thriving garden or a barren patch of land, remember, there's a whole world of chemical interactions happening beneath your feet. Soil isn't just dirt. It's a living, breathing entity, a silent custodian of our ecosystems. And understanding its chemistry can help us better care for our planet and ensure a sustainable future.